everyone, glad to be back. Today let's discuss broccoli sprouts, my new addiction. Improving your odds is all about finding the most meaningful and practical changes you can make to lifestyle and diet, and stick with for a lifetime. Broccoli sprouts are absolutely worth your consideration, and hopefully by the end of the video, you will be motivated to look further into this amazing little vegetable. In the last few years, broccoli sprouts have started to draw a lot of attention in the health community, championed in large part by Rhonda Patrick. What makes these little sprouts extra special? Well, they are the best natural source of a compound called sulforaphane and contain 100 times as much as broccoli. Others in the cruciferous family, such as cauliflower, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, and kale, also have sulforaphane, but in much lower quantities. Sulforaphane has many truly amazing health benefits. These include the prevention and treatment of cancer with clinical evidence for breast, lung, and prostate cancer, a significant reduction in inflammation, which is a contributing factor to many conditions, such as autoimmune disease, cancer, allergies, and arthritis. The sprouts help with cardiovascular health. Remember, heart disease is the leading cause of death in adults. They slow the aging process, now who does not need a whole lot of that, and they promote excretion of toxic chemicals, which are found in everything from car exhaust to your shampoo. We all need to be a little more on top of our toxic chemical excretion, am I not right? Also, sulforaphane may help with brain health. Studies have shown it may benefit a broad range of conditions, ranging from Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, and dementia, all the way to autism and other personality disorders. And it may reduce depression. Yes, I know, seemingly every vegetable out there is great for your health. So again, why are broccoli sprouts so special? 2 reasons. First, the research evidence on sulforaphane is very strong, and broccoli sprouts are the best natural source. So a small serving of sprouts provides a very high dose of sulforaphane. You don't have to consume a pound of broccoli. Second, and equally important, the sprouts are really tasty and super easy to incorporate in your diet. High health benefit and low adoption barriers make them an improve your odds superstar. You can add them to smoothies, sandwiches, or salads, or add to vegetable stir-fries, stew, soup, or ready-made meals. I take a small bowl most mornings with 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil and a light vinaigrette. It's absolutely delicious, and with the olive oil, through the roof in terms of a healthy start to your day. Cooking destroys an enzyme required to create the sulforaphane. Therefore, it is best to chop the broccoli, cauliflower, and others in the cruciferous family and leave for 30 minutes before cooking. This allows the sulforaphane to be produced. However, if you can't wait the 30 minutes, and who can, adding ground mustard seeds, approximately 1 teaspoon, while cooking vegetables greatly increases the sulforaphane. Note, the mustard seeds need to be fresh and not sitting in your spice rack for a year. Even if a broccoli sprout never crosses your lips, follow this tip if you are cooking cruciferous vegetables and get all the benefits of sulforaphane. Broccoli sprouts can be frozen. This actually increases the sulforaphane present. I find frozen works best in smoothies and cooked meals. They don't work well in salads, sandwiches, and the like, as the sprouts lose their crispy texture and can taste fairly strong. If you are following Rhonda Patrick's advice and plan to eat sprouts every day for their health benefits, the question is always, how much should you have? There are no guidelines. Many of the studies on broccoli sprouts use between 60 to 150 grams, or 2 to 5 ounces, per day, which is a lot. I don't sweat the numbers. Instead, I just make a point of adding them to meals as I go and take some daily. The problem with broccoli sprouts is, where do you get them? They can be fairly hard to find in stores, and if you do find them, how long have they been sitting on the shelf? Your best bet is to grow them yourself. It's easy, cheap, and convenient, and a fun project for young children if you have them. This is where we'll pick up things in the next video, growing broccoli sprouts. See all the links to articles, podcasts, and other sources below, and subscribe to get notified when we post new content. Until next time, eat your broccoli sprouts and improve your odds!